So users, groups, roles, these are also very, very, very important. Coming to users, okay. What are the users in Servicenow means? Whenever I purchase the license for Servicenow, only the single instance they will provide. Only single server they provide. How? See, not for everyone they will they will give each instance, guys. Single instance they didn't give. Okay, only for company purpose they will provide only one single instance. So in this instance, people want to raise the tickets means must and should have user account in Servicenow. Suppose Gmail is there. Gmail is only single server. I need to send an email through Gmail means. So what should I have? Must and should first of all I need the account in the Gmail. Then only I am able to send the email through the Gmail. Okay. Like the same way, people wants to use the Servicenow means must and should they have the user account in Servicenow. Okay. Those users, where the users are stored from, where can we create the users? And for every user, what are the role we need to assign? So based on the role only, the user position will be there here. Okay. So same as the groups also is there. Group means what is meant by group normally? What is mean by group?
Set of users.
Set of members, a set of users.
Exactly. Set of members, set of users. Means multiple users combined together form a single group. Okay. That is considered as a group level. Okay. So, like the same way, service also can create the group, and in that group we can add the users. For the group, we can provide the role. The role will be assigned to all the group members. Okay, this is the concepts we can learn about the thing. Okay, role is also very, very, very important. Okay, roles also very, very important. First, we can discuss about the users. Before going to users and all, we can write some couple of definitions, important definitions. See, I am opening the docs.servicenow.com. This is our reference website, guys. Okay, this is our reference website, Servicenow. So you can search any topic, you can able to see. Okay, I'm going for the user administration. So write down some important definitions. Write down the users. So write down this definition. User bracket system is the table name. Record store information. Individuals who access your instance. These records can be assigned to groups and roles to determine. See, users, groups. So write down these two definitions, users and the groups. Okay. So what is this table names? You can learn about next session. After combination groups, users, roles, we can discuss about the tables only. Okay. This is nothing but the system, guys. What are the functions are available in Servicenow? Those things we can call as a system generated things out of box. What are the things we need to create with the custom activities? Done.
Yes, but I do have a question though.
Yes.
Right. Okay, never mind. It says release version. I thought it said recent version on the previous page. Never mind. That Utah was my question right there.
Which one? This one, huh?
Yeah. It says release version on the previous
Yeah.
page. I saw it too fast and I thought it said recent version. So I
Yes,
was wondering,
it's a decent version, but officially
Right.
maybe not confirmed. Maybe it will be there nearly next 1 week.
Okay. Got that. That was my confusion right there. I was wondering, since we're using Tokyo, how come this is
It's a
using
new
Utah?
version. Koda is a new
Okay.
version. We discussed it, right? It will be released on
Yes.
this year Q1. Maybe within these 3 months.
Okay, got it. That was my. I thought I read recent version instead of release version. So I'm sorry.
Fine, no issues. Interview asked this question. Put the heading as an impersonate user. Put the heading as an impersonate user. Okay, write down this definition. Just you can write down this one. That's enough. Important interview question. So whenever I'm taking the interview question, you can put as a star marks, guys.
Pandu,
Yes,
what's the meaning of impersonate?
I will tell you. Okay, impersonate means without using user login name and password, directly we can impersonate the user for testing purpose. Okay,
Okay,
I will explain you. Clearly, I will show you practically.
okay.
Okay, so type left navigation as the users.
Pandu, you mean to say in the production instance itself, we need to create users in the companies?
All instances.
Okay.
Dev instance, test instance. See, in production instance, how the setup will be there, same setup needs to be all the 3 instances, remaining 3 instances.
Okay.
So in production instance, 500 users are there. Assume that. All the instances, we have 500 users. In product, within 500 users, 200 users are inactive.
Okay.
Okay. So means all the 3 instances, 200 users are inactive will be there.
Okay.
Both all the instances will be same format will be there, guys. Okay. Can go for the users. Under user administration, click at the users. Come down. Click at the users. Okay. Like this way also you can navigate it. And otherwise, so what a table name of user? So sys_user, right? Sys_user dot list. You can give it. See? Otherwise, suppose if you want to open separate tab means sys_user dot capital letter list. So here it will open separate tab, capital letter list. You can type it means. Okay. Now just click on the new. Okay. So here user ID email is the unique field. Unique field means what? Anybody will be try to tell the answer. What is my unique field?
It should not be having any copy of it.
Not change.
Won't be the same as anybody else's.
For everybody, it will be same like HSN code or like that.
Okay. Unique field means, suppose assume that the name with Abhishek, 4 users are there. Okay. 4 users are there. But first name, last name are same. Assume that. Same means some first name Abhishek K. Okay, K means some other name. Okay, another name Abhishek K. So K also some another surname. Like different surnames are there, but first names are same. But same users, the user content with the same name. Okay, but the mail IDs are different. You can observe. Suppose the name with Abhishek, 3 members are there, but the mail IDs are different. Means those things you can call the unique. Mail is the unique one. Unique one. Like the same way here, user ID in the user record, user ID is also unique field. Okay. Sometimes user ID can give the mail, your mail ID only. Maximum user ID contains your mail ID only. Okay. I'm creating some couple of user accounts. Okay. So here I saw some mail IDs. Paddy Praveen. Okay. I'm creating first user account with Praveen name. Praveen, are you there? P Praveen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this you can give the user ID and give the name Praveen Harry, and you can give the title. See here, nothing mandatory fields is there. Okay. So title should be just I'm giving as some junior developer, and he belongs to IT department. Assume that. Okay. Next. So this password needs reside, enable it. Automatically it should be enabled. I will show you. Logged out means the user will be left the project or left the organization, means just you can make inactive and enable the logged out. Don't delete the user. Okay. Not only a user account, guys, in Servicenow, don't delete anything, guys. Just suppose if you not use it, means just you can make as a inactive. That's it. So I make inactive means this user account I am unable to see anywhere in this system. Okay.
And
So website.
and one
Yes.
question.
Yeah.
In title, if you wanted to create our own title, can we edit it? Or can we create a new title here?
Yeah, here see, you can see the browser pick underscore list is there. Copy this one.
Okay.
See, only they will provide the out of box titles only.
Okay, we cannot be able to create any
No.
new titles, right? Okay, got it.
Yeah. But department you can create it.
Yeah. If any business requires their own department or a title, I mean to say title cannot be created. Department.
So suppose if you want to create any titles, means okay, you will get any business request, you need to create the titles, means so must and should. So we will raise a ticket to directly Servicenow people.
Okay.
So one portal is there. Hi.servicenow.com. Okay. So anything I want, suppose anything I need my instance, means okay, you can raise one ticket to Servicenow team. Directly Servicenow team.
Okay.
Okay. Servicenow people will suggest you. So suppose you raise a ticket to Servicenow team, boss, this is the title I need, means so Servicenow people directly didn't create it.
Okay.
They will suggest you it's a use title or not for your business point of view. Why you want to? Definitely they will have some more questions. If they will get the clarity, means they will create the title for you only.
Okay, what?
Because they will create the title, means suppose blindly they will create a title, means it will impact overall global all the instances.
Got it.
All the company instances.
Right.
Okay. So they will suggest you, they will finalize you, the title needs to create or not.
Okay, got it. Understood.
Suppose it's not nothing chances there, means definitely they will reject your request.
Okay.
Okay. So coming to This web service access only internal integration is so not required. So enable or disable nothing. Just you can give the mail ID. Copy. Next language is English. Okay. So calendar integration Outlook. Outlook means anything will be received Outlook only. Okay. So time zones is system time zones. These are the, if you want to give the business phone, you can give mail, mobile phone, you can give. Business
So is
phone
Outlook already just default in there, or that's the only
no, it's
they
a
work
default.
with is just Outlook?
No, it's a default is there.
Okay. So you can't do it with Gmail or anything like that.
Yeah, if you want means you can add it.
Okay.
Okay. So business phone means our office phone number. Mobile phone means your personal mobile number. So if you want to add the photo means you can add it. So maybe I didn't try it anything because so that is not a good thing to add the photo. Okay. So maybe you can add the photo means the image will be shown here, I think. Okay.
No,
If you
Pandu.
want to add the photo means you can add it.
If I add it here, it will not be displayed in this system administrator.
This one, not like
Yeah,
this.
it will not get changed. Yes, we can see
No,
the
no, no,
photo.
no, no. Here it will not change.
Mhm.
Here it will not change. This user account is system administrator user account.
Okay.
Okay.
No.
So
even I've tried it. If we add a photograph here, so it will be displayed in the below itself.
okay. Let's see. Okay. So now you can save the form. Submit or save. Okay. If you submit means the record will be submitted. It will show the previous record. Okay. If you save means the record will be submitted. It will be stay in the same page. Okay. Now I created one user account in Servicenow. Suppose I created one user account. I need to send the credentials right to the user. So username, so user ID I will send it, but password. So before for San Diego, one option is there, guys. So this set password is not there before San Diego. Okay, from San Diego onward, set password is there. Okay. So before San Diego, here directly on password field is there. Just we are giving the default field. We manually enable the password, need reset. Just we are sharing the password. But right now, what happened, right? They will give they only setting the password. Click on set password. Okay, we generate it. Copy it. Save the password. Close it. See, the password reset enabled. Okay. But without using the password, so we can able to open the user account, but not for this user. Suppose I created a user account. I need to see this user account is created or not. By using impersonation concept only, we can able to open the user account. I will tell you that one. Okay, wait for some time. Okay, just we need to share this password. Okay, they can enter the user ID and password. They reset the password. They will set up their own password. Okay, now come down. After creation of this user account, add the roles to the user. The role is very, very, very important, guys. Every role, some amount is there in Servicenow. Okay. Suppose if you want to create the role also, you need to raise a request. Definitely, we need to pay the money to the Servicenow. Just I'm adding admin role to the private for Servicenow instance. Added admin role to the Praveen. So admin can access anything, guys. I will impersonate, I will test it later. Okay, now only I will test it. Okay, see, I add only admin role, but see, nearly 26 roles are there. Because of admin is the parent role, this remaining all are the child roles. I added the parent, automatically child also will be added here. Inheritance. Parent added, child should be added.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, we will create another user account. Let's see. Go for the users, click as a new. Okay, so let's check the chart. So what the mail is there? Go with the Bharati. Oh, any Gmail is there? Because of we will send any notification to admins. Yeah, we'll go with Abhishek. That is the company mail, right? You can create it, but whenever you can go into the company, definitely we need to give the company mail only. But here we are triggering notifications. We are triggering something, right? It will trigger to that your office Outlook. So can go for the Gmail. That is correct thing. Abhishek. So what is the just you can tell the initial Abhishek?
HT.
HT. Okay. Senior developer. And IT. Okay. Just you can to some level, just you can save it. Okay. For this user account, I'm adding the ITIL role. Okay. I will tell you what is the admin user, what is the ITIL user. I will explain you. Once I will import statements, I will show you practically. Then you can understand. For first user, I add admin role. For second user, I'm adding the ITIL role. Admin user means admin can access anything because the people who are working in the service or department, all the people have the admin role. Okay. But the people who are working some other departments like Java, .NET, or some testing, or some other non-IT people, those people will have the ITL role. But not all the people have the ITL role. Only limited people only, like team leads, suppose Java department team leads, some higher authority people. Those people have the ITL role. ITL people can access the limited applications. He can able to access only for ticket creation only, not for technically. Like create the incident, problem, change, service request for reporting purpose. Those applications only they can able to access. Remaining technical concept they can able to access. Okay, I will show you, then you can clearly understand. Here ITL is there. Okay, ITL is there, ITL underscore admin is there, guys. Okay, so don't confuse admin and ITL underscore admin, both are same. No, not same. Okay, ITL people can be create the record, update the record. Okay, but ITL underscore admin people, only one difference is there. He can create the record, update the record, delete the record. Delete option is available for ITL underscore admin people. For ITL people, the delete option is not available. That is only slight difference is there. Okay. Okay. So now I created 2 user accounts in service. I need to test that user account, the user is created or not. And also I assign the one of the user for the admin role and another user is the ITL role. I need to check those people will be, the roles will be assigned or not. Okay. How can I check means, for testing purpose, we are using the impersonation concept here. Go for system administrator, click on here, click the impersonate user. Okay, just search for a user. So without the username and password, directly see very private. Directly you can able to log in the other user as well. Okay, and this access only The people who had the admin role are impersonate underscore user. The role name should be for impersonate. Suppose people want the impersonate access means just you can give the impersonate underscore user role to their user account. Okay. So see, I gave the Praveen for the admin role. Admin can do anything, guys, in Servicenow. The people who are working in Servicenow department, those people only can use admin role. Okay, blindly you suppose you will get on service request. Boss, I need this role means blindly don't give the role. First of all, you need to take the approval from your manager. Manager will be approve that request, then only can provide the role to the user, guys. Okay, so see, you can test it. This you see, I'm able to create the users. Okay, I'm able to create the groups. See, and I'm able to create the client scripts. Anything. See, scripting level, and I'm able to create the SLAs. See, everything will be able to access because he's the admin. Admin can do anything. I'm able to create notifications. Anything can perform. Now coming to, see, admin can perform anything. Now coming to, I'm end impersonation. End impersonation means I will go with my user account. Okay. Now let's check with another user account. Go for impersonate and go for Abhishek. See, just you can type the name. See, directly I'm able to log in the Abhishek account without that username and password. For testing purpose only, we need to use this impersonate concept, guys. I will assign the role. The applicants are able to access or not. The user is able to access or not. The user is created or not, like this only. Okay. See, just now Abhishek, I provide the ITL role. ITL role means for limited applications only he can able to visible. Means he can able to only for create the tickets, not for the work in Servicenow. See, suppose he can able to access incident, yes, and he can able to access problem, yes, and he can able to access change, yes, and he can able to access request, yes. See, and he can able to access report, yes. And let's see, he can able to access users. See, user module is not there. He's unable to access the user. Let's go for the group. Let's see. See, yeah, groups are not there. See, let's go for the some technical concepts, client scripts. See, nothing will become. Only he has limited access. He only for creation of the tickets, only for submitting the incidents or submitting the problem, submitting the request. Only this access only will have the ITL people. See, business rules. See, nothing will become. Suppose we can able to open the table name sys underscore user dot list. Let's see. Now the listers users he can able to see, but see here the create new option is not there here. See, means he is unable to create other applications. He is unable to access other applications. Only incident, problem, change, service request or reports. Only that access only will have the ITL. Okay. Whenever we are purchasing the license for the Servicenow, based on the user load, means user weightage, the amount will be there, guys. How the user load means, suppose in my project, okay, I'm able to decide use for Servicenow. Okay, I'm working HDFC Bank project. Okay, for HDFC Bank, I'm able to use the Servicenow ticketing tool. I need to purchase the license. Okay, so they will tell the cost. For suppose for 100 admin users or 200 ITL users, total 300 users, suppose total 500 users are there. In my project, total 500 users are there. All the people needs to Servicenow access. For 100 admin users, 200 ITL users, remaining 300 users are nothing roles should be there. So the role should be empty for the user means those user can call it use ESS user account. I will create the ESS user account as well for now only. ESS means employee self-service account. Okay, for these users, I need a Servicenow license. One amount will be there, like $30,000 or $50,000, like that. Example I'm telling. Suppose 200 admin users, are 500 ITL users. Remaining 300 users are the ESS users. Total for 1,000 users, some $50,000 is there. Like we are increasing the users, increasing the user names, and also for every user we have some respective roles also. Some amount is there, guys. So directly for everyone, not have the individual amount based on the user weightage using the ServiceNow, the amount will be there. Okay, and for role also, every role some amount will be there. Okay, so that's why. So don't create any custom roles without approval your managers. Role is very, very, very important. Okay. Now I am impersonating the end impersonating. Okay. Now can create another one more user account. So that user account you don't provide any role. So the role should be empty. That user account we can call as the ESS user account. It means employee self-service account. New. Just I'm going with
What is ESS again? I'm sorry.
employee self-service. Employee self-service. Okay, just you can create the user account. See, when I am able to create this user account, I didn't add any role here. So maximum the people have the ESS user accounts only. The people who are working on the service now, that people have the admin role definitely. Remaining people, so who are the some higher position people. Okay, that people raise a request, boss, I need ITL means we will take the approval from our manager, we can provide the ITL role. Remaining, except all the people have the ESS user on. ESS means employee self-service. The role should be empty. And this user have the limited access. Only incident and service request only can able to access. This problem, change, reporting, nothing access will be there. This incident and service request also from view also different is there. Okay, we will show you. Impersonate the user. Whenever you can create the user account or already any existing user, you can provide the role means you can check. First of all, you can impersonate and test it. The role will be assigned or not. Class role market needs. Okay. Chandra Shekhar. See, he can able to incident. I'm able to incident. See, click on the incident. See, suppose click as a new. How the view will be there. So view also different is there. See, only limited, only two fields is a urgency like priority level, short description, test incident. See, submit it. See, incident is created. Simple. So people write the incident just for ESS people, just you can go in, give the some priority and give the some test the incident is created. Okay. And suppose if you go for the problem, see, problem is not there. Change is not there. See, and request will be there. Request is nothing but the catalogs. Service catalog. By using service catalog only, we can raise a request. Okay. This is some big topic. So I will explain. It will take nearly 4 to 5 classes for service catalogs. It's very, very important. Okay. So next future classes we will discuss about the service catalog. See, only limited modules you can able to have the ESS user. Okay, because all the people give the ITL access means definitely company will need to shut down the company, because we need to pay some thousands, lakhs of dollars for all the people need the admin role, all the people ITL admin. So that's why. So they didn't allow all the access to the all the customers. Okay. So this is the way we need to create the user accounts in ServiceNow. This is the after creation of the users, like this way, we need to assign the roles to the user. Any doubts are there up to here?
No, Pandu, it's clear.
So far, so good.
All the people are clear, right?
Yep.
Yes.
Now, yesterday I will open one user account. Praveen. For Praveen, I create one user account, right? So let's see. So I'm setting up a password for Praveen. Again, I'm setting up the password because I previously I set it, I forgot it, right? Generate. Let's open the Praveen account in another browser. Copy it.
Can we
Save
reset a password multiple times?
Yeah, you can reset. Nothing will be there, guys.
Okay.
You can reset it. I'm saving the password in the notepad. Okay. So save it and close it. Open other browser. Okay. So copy this instance. Copy this instance. Done. Okay. Copy this mail ID. Give the username and password. Username and password. You can give the whatever password you can give it. See, Servicenow can be support any browser. So I open Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Any support, any browser should be support. Okay, fine. Login. Current password. New password. Just I'm giving as a welcome 123 at the rate. At the rate. See, I can able to log in the Praveen's account. See, like this way, Praveen can be after creation of user account service. Like this way, he can able to reset the. He can able to log in the Servicenow. Okay. So if you want to log out, means just click on the logout. Again, you can give the username. See here, password he reset is disabled. He reset the password. See, you can able to log in. Okay, like this way, we can create the user accounts in Servicenow and assign the roles to the user. Okay, please be practice it today only. You can practice it. Don't delay the things. Okay, I will share the video. Okay, so maximum yesterday some date is there. I will share the video within half an hour. Okay, and please practice it today only. Every day, whatever the topic you complete, you can practice it today. And any doubts, then you can note it down the doubts. And next class you can ask me. Okay.
Sure, Pandu.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So any doubts is there up to here?
No.
For me, no.
Fine,
No.
right? Good, right?
Yeah, good.
Yes.
Pandu, I'm Sujata. If we give you I mean, it's automatically unchecked now when we change the password, reset the password.
Yes.
Okay.
It's automatically uncheck.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
And
guys.
one more thing, Pandu, is it good, right practice to assign a role in a user?
It's a
When we are creating user, we assign the role.
yes.
Is it good practice?
So that's it only. Not for every user needs to assign the role. They
Okay.
will raise one request. Okay, suppose I already have the user account in Servicenow, but I have right now ESS role. Means nothing roles are there. Assume that.
Okay.
Suppose I raise one request to the Servicenow department, boss, I need the ITL role. Okay, blindly they didn't assign the role. Definitely they will take the approval from their manager. If manager will be approved means, so manager needs to check this guy is which department, why this guy has the ITL role, why this guy needs, what is the use case of the ITL role for for which purpose he is asking. Like everything he check it and he will approve the request. He will approve the request, then only we need to provide the ITL role to the user.
Okay.
Okay, so blindly don't give the role to the user. It's not a correct way for every Servicenow developer.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Pandu.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Okay. Tomorrow we will discuss the groups and the tables step by step. Okay.
Thank you. Just share the video so I can go over this in the morning.
Yeah. I will send it. Fine. So note it down.
Yes,
note it down.
Pandu.
Copy it. Otherwise, I will disconnect means, so definitely it will come. You can copy it and you can paste it somewhere.